आप कैसे हैं? हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? मैं सहमत हूँ। आई अग्री। आई अग्री। मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। आई अग्री विद यू। आई अग्री विद यू। मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ। आई डोंट अग्री। आई डोंट अग्री। मैं भी नहीं। मी नीदर। मी नीदर। कैसा चल रहा है? हाउ इज इट गोइंग? हाउ इज इट गोइंग? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू। किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? मुझे माफ कर दो। Forgive me. Forgive me. मुझे एक पल चाहिए। I need a moment. I need a moment. इसे जाने दो। Let it go. Let it go. मुझे मदद करने दो। Let me help. Let me help. यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. इसे धीरे करो। Do it slowly. Do it slowly. क्या यह जरूरी है? Is it necessary? Is it necessary? इसे बदलने की जरूरत है। It needs to be changed. It needs to be changed. यह कहाँ है? Where is it? Where is it? इसे यहाँ मत रखो। Don't put it here. Don't put it here. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। I am with you. I am with you. आप सही कह रहे हैं। You are right. You are right. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. बहुत बढ़िया। Good job. Good job. मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए। I need a break. I need a break. तुमने बहुत अच्छा समय चुना। You choose a very good time. You choose a very good time. मुझे अपने दोस्तों से मिलना है। I have to meet my friends. I have to meet my friends. तुम इसे कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? तुम्हें ज्यादा सोचना नहीं चाहिए। You should not think too much. You should not think too much. मुझे जल्दी कुछ करना है। I have to do something quickly. I have to do something quickly. तुम्हारे पास कोई विचार है? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any ideas? यह भयानक है। This is terrible. This is terrible. मुझे पता है कि यह सही है। I know it is right. I know it is right. मुझे इस पर शक है। I doubt on this. I doubt on this. क्या यह मेरे लिए है? Is this for me? Is this for me? यह आसान नहीं है। This is not easy. This is not easy. मुझे कुछ और चाहिए। I want something else. I want something else. इसे मत करो। Don't do this. Don't do this. वह मुझे बुला रही थी। She was calling me. She was calling me. मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ देख रहा था। I was looking at you. I was looking at you. मैंने आपको सुना नहीं था. I did not hear you. I did not hear you. तुम आए नहीं थे. You did not come. You did not come. तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं था. You did not invite. You did not invite. मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. I did not think so. I did not think so. मैंने उसे रास्ते में देखा था. I saw him on the way. I saw him on the way. जल्द ही बात करते हैं. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. शुभ रात्रि. Have a good night. Have a good night. अपना ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. कपड़े पहन लो. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. बिस्तर से निकलो. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. अपना बिस्तर सही कर दो. Make your bed. Make your bed. अपने जूतों के फीते बांधो. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. कहानी सुनाओ. Tell a story. Tell a story. Lights बंद करो. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा. I had a great day. I had a great day. उसने मुझे बताया था. She told me. She told me. वह गई थी. She went. She went. क्या आप वहां गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? मैंने उससे पूछा था. I asked her. I asked her. उसने नहीं बताया. She did not tell. She did not tell. तुमने पूछा या नहीं? Did you ask or not? Did you ask or not? कल मैं लखनऊ गया था. I went to Lucknow yesterday. I went to Lucknow yesterday. मैं रास्ते में था. I was on the way. I was on the way. वह मेरे बगल में खड़ी थी. She was standing beside me. She was standing beside me. वह घर जा रहा था. He was going home. He was going home. क्या तुम सच में ऐसा सोचते हो? Do you really think so? Do you really think so? मुझे यह समझने में समय लगेगा. It will take time for me to understand this. It will take time for me to understand this. तुमने मेरे लिए क्या किया? What did you do for me? What did you do for me? मुझे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ. I realized my mistake. I realized my mistake. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे थोड़ा आराम करना चाहिए. I should take a little rest. I should take a little rest. क्या तुम मेरे साथ हो? Are you with me? Are you with me? मुझे इसके बारे में सोचना होगा. I will have to think about it. I will have to think about it. तुम बहुत मददगार हो। You are very helpful. You are very helpful. मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं है। I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name. तुम बहुत जल्दी सोचते हो। You think very fast. You think very fast. मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब चाहिए। I need your answer. I need your answer. तुम्हें मुझ पर विश्वास करना चाहिए। You should trust me. You should trust me. मुझे सचमुच खुशी है। I am really happy. I am really happy. तुम्हें मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए थी। You should have talked to me. You should have talked to me. मैं इसे भूल नहीं सकता। I can't forget this. I can't forget this. मैं अभी खाना बनाती हूँ। I'll cook food right now. I'll cook food right now. क्या हुआ आपको? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking something. I am asking something. वह हमें देख रहा है। He is looking at us. He is looking at us. इस बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचो। Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. वह किस लिए था? What was that for? What was that for? तुम कैसे गए थे? How did you go? How did you go? वह कल आई थी। She came yesterday. She came yesterday. मैं नहीं गया था। I did not go. I did not go. क्या तुम गए थे? Did you go? Did you go? मैं कल उससे मिलने गया था। I went to meet her yesterday. I went to meet her yesterday. क्या वह आई थी? Did she come? Did she come? मैं कल गया था। I went yesterday. I went yesterday. मैंने नहीं पूछा। I did not ask. I did not ask. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हल्ला मत करो। Don't make noise. Don't make noise. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो। Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल दो। Change it. Change it. सच बोलो। Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. समय पर आना। Be on time. Be on time. मेरा फोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? किसी का फोन आ रहा है। Someone is calling. Someone is calling. ठीक है, मैं समय पर आऊँगा। Okay, I'll be on the time. Okay, I'll be on the time. आप तैयार हो जाओ। You get ready. You get ready. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? आज रात फिल्म देखना है। Want to watch a movie tonight? Want to watch a movie tonight? मुझे देर हो जाएगी. I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna be late. कार्यक्रम कैसा रहा? How did the event go? How did the event go? सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. क्या इस हफ्ते लंच के लिए फ्री हो? Are you free for lunch this week? Are you free for lunch this week? हमें जल्द ही इकट्ठा होना चाहिए. We should get together soon. We should get together soon. कुछ चाहिए हो तो मुझे बताना. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. आओ मैं तुम्हें उससे मिलवाता हूँ. Let me introduce you to her. Let me introduce you her. जल्द ही बात करते हैं. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. शुभ रात्रि. Have a good night. Have a good night. अपना ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. कपड़े पहन लो. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. बिस्तर से निकलो. Get out of bed. Get out of bed. अपना बिस्तर सही कर दो. Make your bed. Make your bed. अपने जूतों के फीते बांधो. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. कहानी सुनाओ. Tell a story. Tell a story. Lights बंद करो. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ. I am going out. I am going out. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am gonna be late. I am gonna be late. कार्यक्रम कैसा रहा? How did the event go? How did the event go? सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मुझे खेद है. I am sorry. I am sorry. मुझे माफ करना मैं देर से आया. I am sorry I was late. I am sorry I was late. मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है. I like it here. I like it here. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. ये मुश्किल है. This is tough. This is tough. कुछ चाहिए. Need anything? Need anything? मैं फौरन तुम्हारे पास वापस आऊंगा. I will be right back. I will be right back. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. इसके लिए चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. क्या इस हफ्ते लंच के लिए फ्री हो? Are you free for lunch this week? Are you free for lunch this week? हमें जल्द ही इकट्ठा होना चाहिए. We should get together soon. We should get together soon. कुछ चाहिए हो तो मुझे बताना. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. आओ मैं तुम्हें उससे मिलवाता हूँ। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू हर। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू हर। उसने खाना बनाया। ही कुक्ड द फूड। ही कुक्ड द फूड। तुम बहुत जल्दी सीखते हो। यू लर्न वेरी क्विकली। यू लर्न वेरी क्विकली। वह हमेशा मदद करता है। ही ऑलवेज हेल्प्स। ही ऑलवेज हेल्प्स। तुम सुंदर दिखते हो। यू लुक ब्यूटिफुल। यू लुक ब्यूटिफुल। वह गाना गाता है। ही सिंग्स। ही सिंग्स। तुम्हारी हंसी प्यारी है। योर लाफ इज़ स्वीट। योर लाफ इज़ स्वीट। उसे खेलने दो। लेट हिम प्ले। लेट हिम प्ले। उसे स्कूल जाना है। ही हैज़ टू गो टू स्कूल। ही हैज़ टू गो टू स्कूल। तुम सही कह रहे हो। यू आर राइट। यू आर राइट। वह हमेशा मुस्कुराता है। ही ऑलवेज स्माइल्स। ही ऑलवेज स्माइल्स। आप क्या करते हो? वट डू यू डू? वट डू यू डू? मैं व्यस्त हूँ। आई एम बिज़ी। आई एम बिज़ी। मुझे सब कुछ बताओ। टेल मी एवरीथिंग। टेल मी एवरीथिंग। तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? तुम बहुत तेज़ हो। You are very fast. You are very fast. वह रोज़ पढ़ता है। He reads every day. He reads every day. तुम्हारा घर बड़ा है। Your house is big. Your house is big. उसे पता चलना चाहिए। He should find out. He should find out. वह बहुत तेज़ दौड़ता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. तुम्हारी आवाज़ प्यारी है। Your voice is lovely. Your voice is lovely. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है। I feel bad. I feel bad. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? गुस्सा मत हो। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. तुम्हारी क्या समस्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मेरी तरफ देखो। Look at me. Look at me. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो। You are misunderstanding me. You are misunderstanding me. यह सुनने में अच्छा लगता है। This sounds good. This sounds good. मुझे आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई। I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. तुम जल्दी करो। Hurry up. Hurry up. वह मुझे सुनता है। He listens to me. He listens to me. तुम्हारी मुस्कान खूबसूरत है। Your smile is beautiful. Your smile is beautiful. उसे बहुत पसंद है। He likes it a lot. He likes it a lot. तुम बहुत अच्छे चलते हो। You walk very well. You walk very well. वह हर दिन खेलता है. He plays every day. He plays every day. तुम्हारी तारीफ करनी चाहिए. You should be praised. You should be praised. उसे खेलना पसंद है. He likes to play. He likes to play. तुम सच बोल रहे हो. You are telling the truth. You are telling the truth. वह किताब पढ़ रहा है. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. तुम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हो. You are a very good friend. You are a very good friend. उसे थोड़ा आराम करना चाहिए. He should rest a bit. He should rest a bit. तुम्हारा कुत्ता बहुत प्यारा है. Your dog is very cute. Your dog is very cute. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझे वहाँ ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. जल्दी मिलेंगे. See you soon. See you soon. अब क्या? What now? What now? मेरा भरोसा करो. Believe me. Believe me. बहुत बढ़िया. Too good. Too good. किस लिए? What for? What for? इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. उसे यहाँ लाओ. Get it here. Get it here. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. I will try. I will try. हमेशा सच बोलो. Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't give up. Don't give up. पैदल जाओ. Go on foot. Go on foot. यह बहुत ही आसान है. It's a breeze. It's a breeze. मैं कान खोल कर सुन रही हूँ. I am all ears. I am all ears. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always be with you. I will always be with you. कुछ भी ले आओ. Bring anything. Bring anything. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और तुम? I am great and you? I am great and you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. मैं सहमत हूँ. I agree. I agree. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ. I don't agree. I don't agree. मैं भी नहीं. Me neither. Me neither. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. आप सही कह रहे हैं. You are right. You are right. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. देखेंगे. We will see. We will see. देखेंगे कैसे चलता है. We will see how things so. We will see how things so. मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है. I like it here. I like it here. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. ये मुश्किल है. This is tough. This is tough. कुछ चाहिए. Need anything? Need anything? मैं फौरन तुम्हारे पास वापस आऊंगा. I will be right back. I will be right back. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. इसके लिए चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. मुझे खेद है. I am sorry. I am sorry. मुझे माफ करना, मैं देर से आया. I am sorry I was late. I am sorry I was late. बहुत बढ़िया. Good job. Good job. मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए. I need a break. I need a break. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to bed. I am going to bed. मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ. I am going out. I am going out. मैं बाहर टहलने जा रहा हूँ. I am going out for a walk. I am going out for a walk. साथ चलना चाहते हो? Want to join me? Want to join me? 1 घंटे में वापस आ जाना. Be back in an hour. Be back in an hour. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा. I had a great day. I had a great day. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? कैसा चल रहा है? How is it going? How's it going? ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना. Remind me later. Remind me later. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do? What can I do? मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. मैं आपको नहीं जानता. I don't know you. I don't know you. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूंगी. I will call you later. I will call you later. आज मुझे कोई काम नहीं है. I have no work today. I have no work today. आज कहीं घूमने चलें? Go somewhere today. Go somewhere today. आपने ऐसा कैसे कहा? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मेरी पूरी बात सुनो. Hear me out. Hear me out. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. देखो और सीखो. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. मुझे देखो. Look at me. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go. खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? यह हमारा कर्तव्य है. It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's not a cup of tea for you. It's not a cup of tea for you. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत? How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. मैं कल रात देर से सोया था. I slept late last night. I slept late last night. मुझे इसे ठीक करने दो. Let me arrange it. Let me arrange it. मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. बिस्तर ठीक कर दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. बिस्तर पर आ जाओ. Get on the bed. Get on the bed. मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do it. I want to do it. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा करो. Do as I say. Do as I say. कहाँ से मिला ये तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ. Whatever happened was good. Whatever happened was good. ये तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. काश कि मैं वहां जा पाता. I wish I could go there. I wish I could go there. क्या आप सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. बात करने में क्या जाता है? What goes to talk? What goes to talk?